Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And today I want to discuss a quick topic that would be relevant in the current market scenario, right, where it is continuously seems to be going down, right? And if you have any option positions, how do you actually adjust that, especially how do you roll it down, right? So that's what we're going to discuss. I'm going to show you step by step in this video, and I did record this the steps live when I did in one of my own trade, so there may be the screens could go out of sync, so just bear with that, but the steps and all are gonna be same. So with all that, let's start. Okay, so I'm in my computer screen, right, and I had a position on TQQ, right, and this is the position that I opened a couple of weeks back. It was a covered call for $68, and as you can see, this has an expiry date of 9/20, and I was already profitable on this position. I already gained like almost 70% of it I had already gained, but it seems to be going down, right? So I wanted to adjust it. I wanted to roll down the strike price, right, especially. So let's see the steps for that in Robinhood, right? So how do you do actually roll down the strike price? So you click on the roll this position. Okay, once you are in this screen, you make sure that I wanna keep the expiry date same here, and I just wanna do roll down the strike price, right? So I had 68 before. Now I roll it down to 65 because I gonna make more credit, right? You're gonna do it for net credit, because as this is good if the market is going down, right, as I said. So as market is going down, I think that TQQ would take more time to recover, so I'm rolling it down at strike 65, right? So once you are in this screen, you check everything is fine, you see the total grade. This is important to make sure, and then continue, and then you can select your bid and ask, right? So this could be a little bit tricky to kind of get it right. If you wanna okay for less, you can just select the bid price. I was trying that day to make it kind of more credit side, so I was selecting something in between. So it took me a couple of times to kind of get it filled, but ultimately it was, I believe, filled at 72, right? So it took a couple of times, so it may happen that it would take a couple of attempts for you as well, but ultimately it did that, and that's easy it is, guys, to roll down a strike price in Robinhood. So again, guys, I want to recap when actually you should roll it down, right? So you should roll it down a strike price only when you think that market is gonna take time to recover, right? So I thought that its market is gonna take time, so I roll it down because I'm gonna get more credit, right? So that's why I did that. And another thing is, let's say, right, worst case market again goes back up, right? Next week market really rallies and TQQ really rallies. Along with that, you can always roll it up back again, right? So I have a separate video on how you can roll up, or basically it's kind of a roll out and up, right? So you can always do that too. So there are always option, guys, to roll out an option if it doesn't go in your favor. So I have a detailed video in both ways, so do check that out. I'll put that link down in the description. So that was a short video, guys, I wanted to make because of the market conditions that is it's going through right now. So it's pretty relevant. If you want to use that, do use this strategy, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing, guys. Bye bye.